Come join me to unbox and arrange the gifts, friends.
3 steps back. I'm the love of your life until I make you mad. It's always 1 step forward and 3 steps back. Do you love me, want me, hate me? Boy, I don't understand. No, I don't understand.
Thank you for hanging out with me while I unbox the gifts. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. See you next time.